Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into a whole stack of sources you sent us, all centered on one thing.
Yep, a single, pretty big 2025 YouTube review of the supplement OxyEnergy Lipo Shred 16-in-1.
Right, so our mission today is pretty focused.
Totally. We're just trying to decode why this product seems to be working so well in the market. We want to get past the label and really understand the formula, the marketing, and what users are actually saying.
Basically give you the quick version so you're actually in the know.
Exactly.
Okay, let's unpack this then. The first thing that jumps out is that 16-in-1 name.
16 different plant-based ingredients. That's the headline.
And the way you take it is key. It's a powder, but it's in these little individual sachets. You just mix it with water after a meal. So right away, it feels less like some intense pre-workout and more like, I don't know, a daily habit.
And that's where the strategy starts. If we look at those 16 ingredients, it's pretty clever. The review really highlighted that it's built on specific soluble fibers.
To make you feel...
Exactly. They specifically mention things like konjac fiber and inulin. These aren't just for digestion. They're included specifically to promote that feeling of satiety.
So it's not trying to, like, trick your body with a huge caffeine hit.
Yeah.
It's working on the other side of the equation.
Precisely. It's about managing input. And then you have the plant extracts.
Like what?
Things like white mulberry and bitter melon. The review pointed out that these are in there for their supposed role in blood sugar stability.
Which is a much more subtle approach.
It is. It's this modern blend of classic fibers and these targeted extracts. It's all about steady internal support, not a big jolt.
Here's where it gets really interesting for me, though. If the ingredients are so gentle, why call it Lipo Shred?
Ha! Right.
That's super aggressive marketing language. It feels like a total contradiction to then sell it as a daily support drink.
But that tension is the whole point, isn't it? That's what the review suggested. They grab the person looking for the shred.
The big results.
But they deliver a product that's actually designed for you to take every single day without burning out. The name gets you in the door, but the gentle formula keeps you there.
And that gentler approach actually led to some really surprising feedback, right? On the sensory side.
Yes, this was a huge point the reviewer made. Supplements like this, with so many plant extracts, they usually taste
Terrible.
just awful, chalky, bitter. But users kept saying this one tastes surprisingly good and that it mixes easily.
No clumps.
No clumps. And think about it. If you make something that people actually enjoy drinking daily, you've solved the biggest problem in the supplement world.
Adherence.
Okay, but let's talk results.
Yeah.
Did it actually work?
Well, this was the core insight. The reviewer kept coming back to it. The people who saw results, better appetite control, some weight management support.
Yeah.
It was always people who are also improving their diet and exercising. Always.
So it's an add-on, a booster, not the main engine. It's an accelerator, not the engine. That's a perfect way to put it. The consensus is that it offers really great support. It makes you feel fuller. It's a nice way to hydrate, but it absolutely needs those other lifestyle changes to work.
So what does this all mean?
I mean, it's pretty clear.
This deep dive really shows that its success is all about managing expectations. You have this aggressive name that gets your attention, but the product itself is a gentle, tasty, fiber-heavy formula designed to just slot into a routine you're already building.
And that leads to a really important final thought for you, the listener, to chew on.
Okay.
Since this supplement really only seems to be effective when someone is already cleaning up their diet and habits, it raises a bigger question. When you're looking at any support product, how much of the foundation do you have to lay yourself before these extra tools become genuinely effective?
Instead of just being, expensive wishful thinking.
Exactly. Where's that line?